Right, and now I'm in lockdown, so I can't get up the shop or the workshop. Having to revert to the old workshop, which is become a bit of a dumping ground really. So I've decided over the next few days that I might have to sort a few bits and pieces out. As you can see, it's getting in a bit of a mess. I haven't really used it for months, but can't really keep going up and down to the shop anymore, so I'll have to get my old bench going, which, as you can see, is literally a dumping ground. Everything's still in here, but covered in dust and muck, and there's loads of machines laying about, loads of parts everywhere. I'm just going to have to sort it all out a bit. So this is one little project for the lockdown period. I expect it should keep me going for weeks really. Anyway, we'll see how we get on and what we can scrap and get rid of and what we can sort out. There's some nice machines in here somewhere if I can ever find them again. Well, we'll see what happens.